In this video we're going to be overlaying this old felt roof with our new ARBOFLEX Liquid PU system. So I've already done all the prep work. Check out the link below to see that, of how to prep a roof before it's overlaid with any system, not just necessarily a liquid. So we're going to take you through step by step the installation of the ARBOFLEX. I've never actually fitted this before, so it's a first for me as well. So let's see how we get on. So the first thing we need to do when installing this system is to fit the trims around the perimeter. These include the upstand trims, gutter trims and the corners. You can see me joining them together with the small plastic butt joints. This keeps them level and stops them moving. Next we are filling in any cracks or gaps with the PU adhesive. This ensures none of the liquid drips through any of those gaps and also takes away any sharp edges which might upset the bond on those areas. Checking the deck temperature now, making sure it's not too hot to actually start putting the liquid down. All liquid systems will have their minimum and maximum laying temperatures, so always double check with one of these thermometers. Cutting the matting for the perimeter, we had to build up one area slightly. This is what you can see us doing here. Now we are focusing on the detailing and the upstands. This is done by using strips of the matting onto the upstands and then down onto the deck. Always do waterproof your perimeters first, and then you can feather the main field area onto them, giving them that seamless look. Main field area now, you can see us cutting our matting, getting that all prepared, mixing up the liquid thoroughly. Then we start the wet on wet method. Decent amount of liquid down, matting over the top, then start bringing that liquid through, making sure there's no pinholes. Don't be scared to put more down if you need to. Make sure you use the matting edge that is frayed and not the straight edge for your overlaps, otherwise you will see the line once it's cured. So we're back here today. This is day 3 of our ARBOFLEX overlay. The first day was prepping, the second day was installing the ARBOFLEX, and then we're back today doing the UV protect and the flashing for the wall. So the reason why we are back today is because the main PU needs at least 24 hours to cure before that UV protect can be installed. In this current state, this roof is a 10-year system. After the UV protect is put on, it makes it a 20-year system. So in our opinion, spending a little bit more money is well worth it and getting that 20 years. Last trim now, the wall flashing trims. Nice big beaded PU adhesive to bond it to the upstand. I like to use lead clips then to get a good fix to the wall. Then some lead seal or something similar over the top. As you can see, I'm putting that UV protection layer down now, just using a big roller. Super quick, took me 10 minutes, and like I've said before, this gives you an extra 10 years. So that's everything done. If you like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to our Roof Scout channel.